Hi, I'm Anna and welcome back to my channel. So first of all, before we get started, I would like to point out that I am rebranding my channel. It used to be called Building a Business, and going forward, it will be called Real Raw Rentals. And the reason for that is that I am really primarily focused on rental properties, and I want the name of my YouTube channel to reflect that. And while I am building a business, I think the name Building a Business for my YouTube channel is just too broad because it doesn't give a lot of information as to what type of business I am building. Additionally, I am planning on changing my upload schedule slightly. I had been uploading every Thursday and realized that given my current workload, I've realized that uploading every Thursday is too much for me in terms of being able to upload quality videos that I'm proud of. And while I'm not promising that my videos going forward are going to be amazing, I'm hoping to put a bit more time and effort into each one of them. And so for going forward, at least through about June, I will be uploading twice a month on the second and fourth Thursday of the month. And those posts will have somewhat of a theme. So for the second Thursday of the month, I'll be uploading my monthly financial update from the previous month. And then for the fourth Thursday of the month, I'll be uploading how-tos or portfolio updates or other informational videos. So that being said, this video is not being uploaded on the second Thursday of the month, but it is my monthly financial update for November of 2020. And then going forward, I will be sticking to this upload schedule. So now for my financial update for the month of 2020. So I had a starting balance in my savings account of $97,246.62. My rental property income for the month was $1,164.67. My rental property expenses were negative $1,499.42, and my other deposits and withdrawals were $1,008.75. That leaves me with an ending balance for the month of November of 2020 of $97,920.62. So if we break that up a bit, in terms of my rental property income, that came from just one source, my monthly rent that I receive from property number one. And that monthly rent has already deducted the 10% that I paid to my property management company. In terms of my rental property expenses, this is slightly different than normal because I paid both the mortgage payment for November of 2020 and the mortgage payment of December of 2020, both within the month of November. And so both of those payments were negative $749.71. And the reason that I paid both of them in 1 month was just due to when the automatic payments that I have set up for my mortgage, when they charged my account. So for the November one, it charged on the 1st or 2nd of November. And then for the December one, it charged on the 30th of November, the last day of November. Why it did that, I'm not totally sure, but it means that my expenses are a bit higher than they otherwise would be. But that will even out because then next month in December, I won't have to pay December's mortgage payment because I have already done that. So overall, that leaves a total expenses for my rental property of negative $1,499.42. Lastly, we have the other deposits and withdrawals. So the interest earned is just how much interest I make in my savings account each month. And that for November of 2020 was $8.75. I also automatically deposit a certain amount of money into my account each month, and for the year 2020, that is $1,000. So I had $1,000 deposited into my account, and that leaves me with a total deposits and withdrawals of $1,008.75. Now, overall, the total gain or loss for the month was a gain of $674. That being said, my gain or loss from the month for just my rental properties, that would be excluding my automatic deposits and my interest earned. So my gain and loss for my rental properties was negative $334.75. Again, as I mentioned, I paid my mortgage bill twice for this month, and so that explains the loss that I had on my rental properties for the month. Now, if we look at 2020 year-to-date finances, you can see my starting balance, ending balance, and then income, expenses, and other financial information starting from July when I started this channel. all the way through November, and so I have one more month to fill in for this year, and then moving on to 2021. Now, two other quick updates. I'm going to be going into this in more depth on my next video, but I did make two offers so far in December on two properties. Both of the properties are in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. The first property I offered $73,000 for a 2-bed, 1-bath, and the second property I offered $62,500 for a 3-bed, 2-bath. Unfortunately, both of these offers were not accepted for different reasons, and so check back in my next video to get more information on that. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and if you could like and subscribe to my channel, that would be greatly appreciated.